Explain Stokes Theorem. Stokes Theorem states that the surface integral of the curl of a vector is equal to the line integral of the vector along the boundary of the surface. Consider any surface A with vector h directed in anti-clockwise direction. If the boundary of the surface A is divided into differential lengths dl, then line integral of the vector h along the boundary of the surface A will be expressed as, let us divide the surface A into differential areas ds having sides of differential length equal to dl, and with vector h directed in anti-clockwise direction for each differential area. Curl of vector h for any differential area will be expressed as, and curl of vector h for the whole surface A can be obtained by taking the surface integral of the curl of the vector h as, by Stokes' theorem, this surface integral of the curl of the vector h and line integral of the vector h along the boundary of the surface A will be equal to each other. The related term is